All right, boys and girls, please take a look up at the top of your paper and read to me my number story. Ready? Begin.
A theater has 100 seats, 4
There's your picture of the puppet show. Down to the bottom. Are there enough seats in the theater for all the children? Show and explain how you figured out your answer. All right, now before we can actually solve this number story, we need to make sense of the problem. We need to understand what it's asking us to do. So, raise your hand. What do you think? What is this question asking us to do? Santiago.
This question is asking us to do to add.
Okay, what do you mean by add?
To add all of 21, 13.
What does 21 and 13 and 42 stand for, Santiago?
Number, the students.
The students. Okay, so Santiago is saying that we need to add all the students together. How do you know that we need to add? What in that number story is telling you that we need to add? Ulysses.
I just because this is 100 seats, so if there's 100 seats and each one says it has a number, that probably means it's adding.
Okay, so you said it says there's 100 seats, and so that means we need to add?
No, I mean, like, there's 100 seats and there's, you have to add the 19, 21, 42, and 13. I know. Like, how much of them are taken.
Okay, so we need to add the 21, 13, and 42 to see how many seats are taken, to see if it equals 100. Yeah? Okay. Look at the question at the bottom there. Are there enough seats in the theater for all the children? So you are telling me, is there enough seats?
Yeah.
How many seats does a theater have?
100.
100. How many students are going?
21,
13, and 42. Okay, so if those are all, and 19, I missed the 19 at the end, okay? So we have 21 from one school, 13 from another school, 42 from another school, and 19 from the fourth school. So with all those students, is there enough room in the theater? Okay? And then again, it says show and explain how you figured out your answer. You have plenty of space down there on the bottom to draw your pictures to help you. If you need to use your math tools, you may use those. Do you have to?
No.
No. Think about some of the strategies that we have been learning and practicing in here. Which strategy could you use to help you figure this out? Don't tell me. Think about it and show me your strategy on your paper.
So explain to me how you're solving this problem, Muriel.
I'm solving this problem by separating the tens with the ones. So I put it 40, 20, 10, and 10 to make another number, and I used 2, 1, and 9, and 3 to make the number. So I got it to another number.
Okay, so what is this? These are all the what?
The tens.
The 10. So what was your answer there?
80.
80, okay. And then what are all of these numbers represent?
The ones. Yes.
Okay, so did you add all the ones together?
Yeah.
And what did you get?
I got a 5, but I got to 9, and I knew that when that 9 plus 3 equals 12, so I am in 90. And then I added the 2 and the 3 to make 5, but now I saw that I didn't add this one to with the 5, so what now? And I know that 5 plus 1 equals 6.
Okay. So what is 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 3?
It equals 96.
So 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 3 equals 96?
Yeah, because I knew that 6. Wait, no. 3
So
plus.
you already added your 10s, right? And you got 80. So now you need to add your 1s. Okay, so how are you going to add those 1s?
So I'm gonna add the 2 and the 1 with 3.
Okay.
So I know it equals 6 and 9. So now it equals 95 because
Okay. What's 2 plus 1?
3
Plus 9 more.
equals 9.
So 3 plus 9.
Equals 12.
Okay. Plus 3 more.
Equals 15.
Okay. So what should your answer right here be?
5.
5?
15.
You just told me 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 3 equals 15. So what should we record right here?
95.
No. We're only adding the
1.
ones. So what is the total of the ones?
6.
Draw a picture of this to see if that'll help you find where you're making your mistake at for your ones. Okay? I'll come back to you. Santiago, will you explain your strategy to me?
I did this at home. I did this like with my homework.
So you had a problem similar to this at home for your math homework? Okay. So how did you solve this problem?
I added the ones like what I did at home. I did the 9 with the 15, the same. Then I put the 4 there. Then I put the another line. Both of them equals 90.
Okay. What are these numbers that you just added?
On the 10.
Okay. So then what did you do after you got the 90 for your 10s?
Added the ones.
Okay. And how did you do that?
I did the same, but instead I added the ones, and I got 50.
Go back down to the beginning, and how did you end up getting to the 15? What did you have to do first?
No, because I got, I know 9 plus 1 equals 10.
Okay.
And this is 5, so I got 15, then I could move the one right here, then I take it away. I don't need a 1. I didn't need the 1.
Okay, you didn't need that one, but I thought 10 plus 5 or 5 plus 10 equaled 15. Does 10 plus 5 equal 15?
This way. Here. This equals 140.
Okay, hold on a second. So you move this one from the 15 over here, right? Into the 10s column? Okay, so then you're telling me that 10 plus 10 plus 4 equals 90? Or 100, I mean?
No.
Okay.
And this was 100.
And why is that 100?
Because I know in the one place, 6 plus 4 equals 10, so it equals 100.
Okay. So you got 60 by adding this 10 from over here with your ones. So 10 plus 4 equals 60, right? And that's how you got 60? Okay. Explain to me again how you got the 40 then.
I got, I know 2 plus 1.
Okay, so tell me what you just noticed. What did you just do?
I noticed 2 plus 1 equals 30.
Okay, so then what did you do? Because then you may change this number.
I raised it to 90 again.
Okay, why is that 90?
Because 6 plus 3 equals 90.
So 6 plus 3 equals 90, or do you mean 60 plus 30 equals?
60 plus 30 equals 90.
Okay, so then what did you do to get your answer?
I deleted the 1. I deleted the 10. I deleted the 10.
Okay,
So I didn't need the 10.
okay, because you moved it to the tens column. You didn't delete it, but you moved it to the
10 column.
tens column. Okay,
Then I moved it to here. So then I got 95.
okay, very good. Thank you.
So I know that there's 100 seats, and then 23 students. Hold on. 21 students, 19, 13, and 42. And I noticed that 4 and 2 equals 60. And these 2 equal 10. 2, 10, so that's 20. And the 3 is 4. The 12 is 4 because 9 and 3 equals 12. And plus 3 equals 15. So that's why I put 15 there. And I added over here, and then I left off with the 5 and added the 10 over here, and then I noticed that there are 100, so I added 100, and that's how I got 125.
Okay, can you go back to your tens and explain to me how you got your tens again? I see you circled your 4 tens and your 2 tens. And that got you
60.
Okay, because 40 plus 20 is
60.
60. Okay, so then what did you do from there?
Added 20
And why did you add a 20?
because these 2 10s equal 20.
Okay, so then 60 plus 20 equals what?
80.
80, okay.
And added the 30
And why did you add 30?
because the 10 here and then the hold on, I think I made a mistake.
Okay.
I think I was supposed to add 15. And then 15 over here.
So why are you putting the 15 over here?
Because if I put the 15 over here, it's going to be hard to see. So if I put it over here, it'll be easier.
Okay, so what does your 15 represent? Is that the 15 from over here? When you added your 10s? Your ones, okay. So your 15 is all your ones that you added together? Okay, so what are you going to add the 15 to now?
The 80.
Okay,
And then, that equals 95.
okay.
Answer is 95, not 125.
Okay, I'm glad that you were able to go back and go through your problem to find out where you made the mistake at. Very nice job, Ulysses. So is there enough seats for the children?
Yes.
Oh, there is, because how many seats are available?
100, and there's only 95 students.
Okay, very good.